Hi, this is Lance from Diamondbrite. I'm here at sunny Addlestone near Weybridge, and I'm here with Clive Hayden, who's recently purchased a Ford Focus from Truss Ford in Staines. Morning, Clive.
Good morning.
Can I just ask you, why did you have your car treated with the Diamondbrite paint and fabric protection process?
I bought the product purely because for a few £100, I know fully well that every time I come to clean the car, it will be looking brand spanking new afterwards. It is absolutely great. It gleams in the sunshine, and when you go to a petrol station with all the lights on it, it just stands out like it's in a showroom. I absolutely love it, and I would not buy a car without. This is the third car now I bought with the product, and it's well worth the money.
We're going to start the cleaning process by using our ruby red wheel cleaner. All you do is spray it on the wheel and it removes all brake dust and dirt, and it turns the muck a ruby red colour. And the good news is, when you rinse it off, it will not discolour the driveway either. The next stage is the pre-wash stage. That will involve rinsing the car with water, then using lift off to get rid of the worst of the muck and dirt, and then we're going to rinse again. And now we're going to sponge the car using Diamondbrite Max Foam Highly Concentrate Shampoo. All you need is a cupful of that in a bucket of water, and you sponge the car like this.
Yeah.
And the next stage is we're going to use new Diamondbrite Rinse and Shine, which you apply to the rinse surface and will repel water, leaving a nice glossy finish. You see what I mean? Literally, the water is running straight off now.
Yeah,
it has made it more. It has made it more water repellent.
Yeah.
The next stage is to remove the water, preferably using a Diamondbrite microfiber drying towel, and we just run over the vehicle, and this removes all the water. The next stage is to remove any excess water with either a microfiber terry towel, which I'm using here, or a microfiber drying cloth. And now the finishing touches. One window at a time, we're going to apply Diamondbrite Ultra Glass Cleaner, wipe it off, and then get another cloth and buff to a nice clear smear-free finish. And now, to make the car look like it's just come out the showroom, we're going to use Diamondbrite Replenish. All you do with this on tyres is spray onto the tyre surface, plenty of product, one will go to be sure, and then wipe off the excess with a clean cloth. You can also use Replenish on interior vinyl and rubber surfaces for a matte finish. All you do is spray it onto the cloth and apply to the surface, and then buff for matte finish. For that professional detailed look, all you need is Diamondbrite Ceramic Glaze. Just apply this to the panel sparingly and buff. Now this will last about 3 months. Using Diamondbrite Ceramic Glaze takes the smoothness to a new level. So Clive, what do you think?
I think it's absolutely brilliant. The actual car looks gleaming, and what with all these new products, it's going to give me a bit of a headache as to which product to buy, but I thank you so much for coming along and doing such a grand job.
No problem at all, anytime.
Thank you. And what time are you back next week?